Hello mga katrio, Happy New Year sa lahat. Yan, hindi lang kami ulit nagkita rita, so medyo walwal tayo ngayon. Gin after Red Doors. Tapos niyan, iba rin pakiramdam. Game, house party muna kami, let's go.
Tangin ang beat yan.
Hey, let's go!
O diba, grabe yung vibe namin guys, kahit konti lang kami yan. Manual pa yung effects namin yan kaso medyo creepy tignan siya. Pero syempre joke lang yun. Alam mo naman natin bahal naman natin yung katrio natin Tara, party na lang ulit, balikin na ulit. Yun, walwala na naman.
Party all night! Let me see your hands in the air, ladies! Let's go! Ready? 1, 2, 3! Woo! Let's go! Party in the house! Raise your body! Raise your body and let's go! Here's a manual man! Lightings! Let's go! And little baby with long hair! And the daddy!
A few moments later.
So, yun na nga guys, inabot na isang katrio natin. Solid kasi yung gabi. Sobrang saya niya lang, kaya naging ganyan yan. So, hanggang dito na lang yung video namin. Thanks for watching guys. Please support and follow our page, Trio Loco. Bye-bye!